Hello! Video about the emergency shutdown of the factory security system and starting the engine without a key Toyota Camry 2018 with the devices AST Pro Unlocker, hereinafter simply Unlocker, and AST Pro. This is AST Pro Unlocker. AST Pro device. Tested car Toyota Camry 2018. Step 1. The test outside the car. Initially we check the work of unlocker outside the car. See that the car is closed. Unlocker was pre-connected to the CAN bus into the headlight connector, which can be easily accessed from under the front bumper. Turn on the device and press its button. It is clear from the mirrors that the center lock was unlocked and the car was shut down from the factory security system. Check. The driver's door is open. Step 2. The test inside the car. Press the car start button. The engine does not start. The display shows that the car is under protection. Open and close the driver's door. The alarm sounds. Turn on unlocker that was previously connected to the BCM module and click on its button. It can be seen that the car doors are unlocked and the factory security system has been switched off. Now we connect the AST Pro device to the steering latch connector. Its LED lights up green. Open and close the driver's door. The ignition is turned on and the engine starts. Disconnect and reconnect AST Pro to the car. The engine firstly stops. Then, after opening and closing the driver's door, it starts up again. With the engine running, we activate the center lock system and try to unlock it again. The center lock system will not unlock. That is, the unlocker command fails. Disconnect the AST Pro from the car. The ignition is turned off and the engine stops. Once again, unblock the center locking system, and from the car start-stop button we try to start the engine. It does not start. On the dashboard, a message about the absence of a key in the salon. The test is completed. Conclusion. The AST Pro Unlocker device allows you to disconnect the factory security system Toyota Camry 2018 without a key, both outside and inside the car. The AST Pro device allows you to start the engine urgently. Thanks to everyone for watching.